Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to activate the heated steering wheel in your Tesla. This feature provides comfort in cold weather and is found in most Tesla models, including the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, Model X, and Cybertruck. Activating it is simple and done entirely through the touchscreen. To access the climate controls on your Tesla's touchscreen, first locate the Controls icon. This icon looks like a wrench and is typically found among the main control icons on the screen. Tap the Controls icon to open the main controls menu. This will bring up various vehicle settings, including climate options. From the Controls menu, select Climate to access all climate-related features. This screen allows you to manage heating, cooling, and other climate controls for your Tesla. Within the Climate menu, you'll find the Heated Steering Wheel option. It usually displays as a steering wheel icon. Tap the icon to cycle through the heat settings: off, low, medium, and high. Select your desired heat level. The system will activate within 1 to 2 minutes. The heated steering wheel offers multiple heat levels to suit your comfort preferences. Low provides gentle warmth, ideal for milder conditions, while high delivers maximum heat when you need it most in very cold weather. The system automatically adjusts based on ambient temperature sensors that monitor outside conditions. This ensures consistent warmth without you having to constantly change settings. For safety, the heater automatically shuts off if temperatures exceed safe limits around 40 degrees Celsius. It also uses minimal power, typically 50 to 100 watts, so you don't need to worry about significant battery range loss. Overall, you don't need to fiddle with the heated steering wheel constantly. Just set your preferred level and let the automatic adjustments handle the rest for optimal comfort. For hands-free activation, use Tesla's voice command feature. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, turn on heated steering wheel." You can also specify the heat level, such as, "Hey Tesla, set heated steering wheel to high." This is especially convenient while driving. You can remotely activate the heated steering wheel using the Tesla app. Open the app on your smartphone, navigate to the climate controls, and turn on the steering wheel heater before you even enter the car. This is great for preheating on cold mornings. Note that this requires Tesla app version 5.0 or later. The heated steering wheel is designed to be energy efficient, typically using only 50 to 100 watts. This equates to a minimal range loss of about 1 to 2 miles per hour. The heated steering wheel also integrates with features like dog mode and camp mode for maintaining warmth during extended idle periods. If the heated steering wheel isn't working, start by checking your Tesla software updates. Occasional glitches can occur, especially in older models from 2022 to 2023, but these are usually fixed with over-the-air updates. Next, make sure the feature is enabled in your vehicle settings. Access the Climate Controls menu on the touchscreen to confirm it's turned on. If issues continue, contact Tesla support through the Tesla app or their website for personalized help and troubleshooting.